Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create Taylor Swift lip sync video like this.
I'm pretty. I'm working.
Is she looking at me? Oh, she loves me.
Don't look at me. I'm out of your league.
You sure? Pretty girl.
First, open HitPaw Edimakor. Click AI Avatar. In here upload your video. Now write the words here. Then choose an AI voice. Click Generate. Drag the video to the timeline. Now done. Now the video is done. Isn't that easy? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.